What do? You sit and you eat and you vomit those words back? It hurts!
Okay.
You're not getting to me!
Okay, Carl.
He's not getting to me!
This food critic posting fresh vlogs about you non-stop.
Oh, you're everywhere.
You saw it?
You're gonna fire me now? Subject closed.
You need to take a break.
White on white, 88 Chevy Grumman food truck. It's a blank canvas for your dreams.
What do you say?
I get to touch people's lives with what I do. And it keeps me going and I love it. How'd you get that crowd?
I didn't get the crowd.
I tweeted it.
You what?
I tweeted the picture on your account.
You're a genius, kid.
This is the life. This is the life, yeah. This is the life.
Pepperfry.com presents the most exotic and mouth-watering movie, Chef, in a couple of minutes on Romedy Now.